Hello and welcome to my video about how I get traffic every day without overthinking it. Now, most people make traffic way harder than it actually needs to be. They think they got to be on every platform, posting all day, figuring out algorithms, trying to go viral. You will hamster wheel yourself into the funny farm if you try that. That's where things often start to fall apart for people because it becomes pretty overwhelming. You start doing a little bit of everything and none of it consistently. So you become a jack of all trades, but a master of none. And if you don't have consistency, if you don't have eyeballs, constant, large amounts of eyeballs, new eyeballs to your offers, you're pretty much spinning your wheels. So I simplified everything down to one focus: daily exposure. That's it. Not perfect content, not super complicated strategies, just making sure that every single day something's happening. So now, instead of guessing, I have activity, clicks, I have feedback to work on to see what's working, what's not, and it helps me, it helps a lot of other people to know in your head that, oh yes, I am getting eyeballs to my offers, even though I had to go to friggin' Walmart or Uncle Phil called and he needed help with his gutters, something of that nature. So I don't wake up, every day and go, oh, where should I post today? What strategy should I try? Which platform should I hop to? I already know with things like this, daily ads here, that there is something running in the background at all times for me. That takes a lot of the pressure off. That's the key. Because most people, and I've done this myself, rely on motivation. Now, as anyone watching this video may know, motivation isn't always consistent. Some days you feel like doing it and you're gung-ho and you go right wild crazy. And some days you don't. You just don't feel it. Or life happens. But when you have something consistent in place, like daily ads here, things are still moving and grooving. That's where this fits for me. It gives me that baseline, consistent exposure without having to overthink it all the dang time. So instead of starting from zero, you have momentum. And I can tell you that once you know you have background traffic running 24/7, 365, it's a completely different mindset and a jumping off point for you and your marketing every single day. Because now, you have your baseline, and then everything you do on top of that actually compounds. Now your content, you and your offer, has a better chance of being seen. Now your links have a better chance of being clicked. Okay? Your efforts actually stack instead of just resetting every day. And that's the most mental and practical advertising tipping point, that shift that most people never make. They just hamster wheel themselves right into the funny farm. They stay stuck in manual mode, trying to push every single day. And as you may already know, if you don't, you can only go 110% for so long before you burn out, or you quit, or you throw your hands up and say, oh, this just doesn't work. But it's not that it doesn't work. It's just you need consistency in place. So if you want to simplify your traffic, if you want to simplify the eyeballs to your offers, you need to focus on one thing. Make sure something's happening every day. That's it. That's the foundation. And from there, everything else will become easier. So like I said, I have this example here, daily ads. You can come in here, get started for free, poke around, and see in what way, shape, or form this can work for you. One of the ways it works for me is I have my banners to other offers cruising around. I have 5 out of 5 banners. I happen to be a silver member. I'll just touch on that. Bronze is $10 a month, silver is $27 a month. You do you, boo-boo. And get in here for free and look at it anyhow. But you can see that I have banners running, and these are for other programs that are not daily ads, because it'd be kind of silly to advertise daily ads in daily ads. So I know for a fact I've got 508 views to this one. I got 13 clicks. I know what my click-through rate is. And if you don't know what that is, don't worry about it. All you're going to see is, hey, stuff's happening. So anyway, that's what I wanted to say. I'm using daily ads so that I have a baseline of traffic running 24/7, 365. I don't have to overthink it. I don't have to burn myself out on the hamster wheel on my way to the funny farm. And if you think this would be a great idea for you, like I said, you can join for free. The link's down below in the description of this video. So if this video helped you, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, mash that bell icon so you don't miss further videos from me. So anyway, whatever you're doing, keep it simple, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.